You know what? I'm tired of working and I'm hungry. So I think it's about time we do something about it. Are you ready? Oh, buddy, let's do this. Woo! Hey everybody, David aka RVJedeye, and we are going to do something great tonight on the grill. We are going to grill a ribeye. We're going to do some bacon wrapped asparagus, and then we're also going to throw in some corn on the cob. All great steakhouse kind of foods to do, and I'm excited to do it. Now, it is looking like it could be raining here in a little bit, so we want to get the fire going quickly so that we can get this on the grill. For the most part, this will be a fairly quick cook, which is good, but the first thing we have to do is start it off by getting the fire ready and then getting the meat on the grill. So the fire is starting, and that's good. The next thing we want to do is season our meat. We're just going to use a simple season this time. A little salt, a little pepper, and a little garlic. And that's all you need. It's a great piece of meat. You don't want to jam it up with a whole bunch of different flavorings. This will make it perfect. So right now the grill is coming up to temperature. The first thing we're going to put on it will be the corn on the cob. We're going to put the whole corn on the cob into the grill and get that going. And then we'll put that kind of on the cool side before we put on our meat. Next on the grill, we want to get the steak on. Time to go check on everything, see what we have to turn, We're getting closer to eating. You know, when you're grilling, you always have to kind of keep finding the hot spot and the cool spot on your grill. I still don't really know this grill, and I have to keep learning it. As I become one with the grill, I'll get better at it. Okay, so the steak is in good shape. Got to take that off, let that rest, and then finish off the rest of the asparagus and bacon, the corn, and then it's time to eat. So everything is done on the grill. Time to pull everything off, plate it up, and eat this bad boy. And here you have it. Grilled ribeye, grilled corn, and grilled asparagus with bacon. Let's check it out. The steak is great. Love grilled asparagus. And let's try this. Love grilled corn. There's a little sour cream on here and a little dry rub spices. It tastes so good. And then of course, something to drink, some Sierra Nevada Pale Ale. I'll put a link to how you do all of this in the description below. And this is something you can do on the road. And as always, remember my motto, no need to eat poorly when you're on the road. This is a great example of it. Hey, that's going to do it right now for me. Make sure you follow me all over social media at RVJedeye. And then, of course, you can follow me on the blog at RVJedeye.com. Get out there, enjoy camping, RVing, car camping, whatever you're doing. Then make sure you take care of yourself and have a good meal. We'll see you next time.